Beautiful clear water here. So we got to check out this little sandbar here.
I'm gonna install the video.
It's like tiny little barrels coming in here. It's so cool. Next we're headed to the island right over here, which I mean, I can't imagine it's all that much different than this one, but really beautiful clear water here. You can see waves meet in the center here. You got waves coming from this direction and you have waves coming from the right. So they kind of collide in the center sometimes. Made it. We came from right straight across that way. Then you have these kind of coves with beaches in between here. We're gonna head in over here called Anawayan Cove. We're leaving this one and I think we're headed to
Camara to, di ba, kuya? Yeah, this is Camara Island. We're gonna go to Capones.
Capones.
Yeah, it's like the name of our beach resort, Capones.
I'm just gonna point the camera at her a lot because obviously if everyone wants to see her in the videos, but she's terrified to speak on camera, so I'll just point the camera at her a lot.
No, babe, because I'm scared of speaking in front of the camera because my English is not that good.
She thinks people will make fun of her English, but it's actually the opposite. People will be really impressed that she can speak 2 languages. And even her second language is almost like, you know, it's almost perfect. Her English is very good, especially for a second language. So she's very self-conscious. Swimming time.
I don't know how to swim.
All right, it's not that sunny, so it's not that clear. The water's not as clear as it normally is, but do an underwater clear check. Clear check. Pretty clear. Not that sunny though, so it would be more fair.
I don't know how to swim.
All right, we're gonna swim. All right, we're leaving Capones and we're going back to Anawangan Cove for the second time.
Yeah.
Be interesting to see if it's changed over the last couple of years without COVID. Off we go. How are you doing down there?
It's easier to up without a slippers.
Anawangan Cove still looks quite beautiful.
Like everything, like the scenery is a bit.
We were at this exact spot about 2 years ago before COVID started. And the landscape has actually kind of changed. Like, it looks different.
Yeah.
Just due to storms and natural erosion. But you can climb up this cliffside using this kind of sketchy path, and you get a really amazing view.
Alright.
Hello. Hello. Yeah, really nice. Already getting burned up. You good? You good, babe?
I'm gonna kill you.
I got good shots of the views.
You know that I have strain?
How's your ankle?
Not good. We should send helicopter for.
All right. Forgot my phone though, so we'll have to do some smoke signals.
Yeah, I'm trying to get higher to see if I get signal.
It's great view up here.
You probably passed my wife halfway down.
Yeah.